Feel less hungry with the natural fiber and clinically proven Meta Appetite Control from Metamucil.
There was a time when social graces were simply more graceful. Ladies exuded charm, and gentlemen embodied verve and dash. There was a time when a room of one's own was more expansive than anyone could dream. There truly was such a time. It was last evening at Biltmore. Experience Biltmore as an overnight guest, now with two splendid hotels.
Charlotte Knights baseball is back for a fun-filled weekend in uptown Charlotte. It starts with opening day and Ink and Ivy Thirsty Thursday with $3 domestic.
Thursday, yeah.
Shut up! Get yours right now at charlotteknights.com. Welcome back, everybody. Here's a live update for the Corn Doppler radar. This is very active this afternoon across the Carolinas. There's a lot of green.
Take over, during the tornado.
Get even worse.
No, you can shut up.
Your weather is going to continue as
Mama, tell you to shut up.
and bring with
Y'all both need to behave.
Mama, I'm trying to make me a YouTube videos and he's ruining it. So yeah.
Yeah, good.
I'll just tell them your YouTube channel and I'll just tell them to go scam it.
Is get to the first floor of your home. One of the safest places that you and your family can be is actually the
So how do you like that, bud?
It's one of the sturdiest areas in your home, and sometimes after the most devastating tornadoes, it's the only thing we see left standing. But of course, we don't all have 2 floors, so another option is an interior closet or bathroom. You want to make sure it doesn't have any windows, and you want to get down and cover your head and neck. You can even use a pillow to do this to make sure that you're protected from any falling debris. And of course, if there's time, make sure you grab your pets as well. Still ahead at 4:30, we take you to Atlanta's Jackson Harper.
That's gonna be Robin.
One of the busiest
It's gonna be the one that got
areas
pets,
is
and
the
we're gonna be the
ground
ones
sound
getting
plays
sorry.
right now because of that severe weather.
And later, we're going to be taking you in
I'm grabbing my cat only and
Concord Aquarium. We're going to
well actually I'm grabbing myself, me, and I and my cat.
As we head to break, here's a live look at some of the roads from our traffic cameras this afternoon. You see the rain
Why can't you just get under a mattress, Mama?
where it's always busy getting
Mama, why can't you get under a mattress?
hampered by the severe weather moving rush hour.
I thought you are
Much more
able to get under a mattress.
You're not, because the mattress is springs on
This year's Tunnel to Towers stair climb.
proceeds from the certified benefit to Steven Siller Tunnel to Towers Foundation. Register now at C2T.
What does springs have to do with it?
that when it lays down on you, it will hurt.
No, it won't.
Yeah.
No, it won't.
You don't know that?
Have it shore, you know.
It's used to fucking protect you, you dumbass.
Tackle is an app that
How's it gonna fall?
chores. Yard work, housekeeping, trash removal, handyman repairs. Yep, we can tackle.
I wouldn't be hiding that too. I'd be hiding in that closet.
Good for you.
Store and provider.
Yes.
No, it ain't.
Housekeeping lots more. Let's tackle today.
Yeah, that is a smart closet.
But it ain't the safest place. It doesn't have walls all around it. There's all walls all around that one, but not that one.
Now we can read what's being said.
Then he almost flipped over. Staying connected has never been easier. With a CapTel caption telephone, you see everything your caller says.
Looks like Dad's going to be on the phone a lot more now.
Learn more about this free service at CapTelNorthCarolina.com.
Try it there.
Spring means changing out the old
There.
to make room for the new.
Here. A little further. Keep going.
I'm outside now?
Perfect.
It's the final days of the spring clearance sale at Furniture Row. Save up to 70% store-wide on lots of amazing styles to create the look you love. Plus, 3 years no interest. Spring into big savings and style. Now at Furniture Row, home of Denver Mattress, your Tempur-Pedic elite retailer.
When I was 45, I was embarrassed by my legs. Now I'm 50, and my legs look great. It's like my legs are aging backwards. What's my secret? Thanks to Bank Clinics of America, my legs look and feel great again. From the first time you walk in there, you feel comfortable. That's why thousands of women just like you stopped hiding their legs and made the call to Bank Clinics of America.
ankles. They feel better. They're more alive.
My legs are sexy again, and I'm proud of them. Thanks to Vein Clinics of America. Now, it's your turn.
At Toyota of North Charlotte and Huntersville, we want to lower your monthly car payment.
2016 Corolla Hellwig for only $11,988. And see all our specials at ToyotaNorthCharlotte.com.
This is WCNC, NBC Charlotte News.
Breaking right now at 4:30, severe weather across the Carolinas. You can see radar lit up here with lots of yellow and orange, and the threat is going to continue into the night, bringing strong waves and storms, along with the chance of damaging winds, even tornadoes, hail, and flooding.
Mama, we better watch out tonight because
And I'm Bill McGinty. We've been bringing you team coverage of the storms all afternoon today, and it continues now at 4:30. We're going to take you live to the news here in a couple of minutes, but first we want to kick things off with your freeform forecast. Meteorologist Brad Panovich is tracking all this ugliness on the map.
Yeah, the good news
I
though
hear
is right now
sound.
it's just
I keep
rain.
hearing the
It's
sound.
causing some
It's
travel
like bees
issues, and it's certainly causing a little bit of ponding
Mom!
water and some minor
Mom, I
flooding.
keep on hearing the
This is
sound.
not the severe threat. It's still
It sounds
coming
like beep,
to the
beep,
west.
beep,
This is
beep.
why this big area of red goes
well, then you're hearing
I want to
things.
know when it's a tornado.
I don't know, baby. I'm not playing with Super Night.
Will there be an alarm going on outside?
Tornado watches right now. We're in
Mom!
stabilized.
Will an alarm go off outside if there's a tornado?
No, there's gonna be a nuclear bomb and it's gonna fucking warn us that there's a tornado.
Towards the west. In fact,
Shut up. That's all you talk about.
severe thunderstorm warnings, and look at the
I was being sarcastic.
Mom!
Nashville, really
Mom!
all the way down to Birmingham.
Is there gonna be an alarm that goes off when the tornado gets here?
West.
When the tornado
Head
comes?
our way later tonight.
Mom!
Rain-cooled area
What?
right
Is
now.
there gonna be an alarm that goes off?
My phone will go off, honey. Then we probably won't have any. You need to quit worrying them.
So we actually could see temperatures go up.
That causes stress.
This line of severe storms that's going to arrive in our area sometime
Did you know that stress can kill you?
3 o'clock in the morning. That's the threat we're
I
watching.
just said I
There's a
care.
lot
I
of threats
just
with this
kidding.
weather. Let's go over to John Wendell with more on those threats that we're going to see throughout the evening and into the overnight. John.
Brad, yesterday you were talking about it coming in two waves. Well, that first wave coming through right now with the severe weather threat just to the south. It's that second wave, though, that we're going to be concerned with overnight. And what are we concerned with? The threat of damaging winds. That's very high. But look how high the tornado threat is. Moderate to high risk across our area. Flooding, well, yes, but I think that would be more localized across the region. Here's some tornado safety tips. Have a plan. Know where to go in your house. Interior room without windows, a bathroom or a closet, something like that. Download the WCNC weather app to get the latest weather information and charge your phone because if the power goes out and your phone goes out, well, you have a problem there. So charge that ahead of time. Put as many walls as possible between you and the outside. Stay away from windows, and if you have a helmet,
Well, we know that Justin ain't gonna have anything to do and he's gonna start bitching.
There because of the rain falling right now, and even though we're watching the severe weather back to the west, it isn't a pretty evening out there right now. Let's go to our Chevy Storm Tracker in Savannah Levins. She's been driving down into Chester County. Savannah, what have you been seeing down there so far?
Yeah, so we just hit Chester and kind of turned around, and we're going back 77 northbound. Here's our dash cam and the storm tracker live right now. Nothing too bad as far as traffic. I've seen a couple of fender benders, a couple people who don't have their headlights on, which can cause an issue there as well. But mostly people just being cautious, driving slow. So if you're about to hit the roads, if you know someone who's about to hit the roads on their commute, just warn them. Take it slow, take it easy, take it cautious. There's nowhere you have to be that's worth someone else's safety or life. Here's our roof cam right now. You can see dark clouds. Visibility is very low here on the highway, so just keep this in mind as you're headed out the door, hitting the roads at any point tonight. And like John said earlier, charge your phones. I live in Rock Hill, and our cable and our internet got knocked out earlier. It was in waves this afternoon. You don't realize how much you rely on that stuff, so make sure your phone's at 100%, especially when you go to bed tonight. We'll check in with you a little bit later, but that for now, reporting live from the Chevy Storm Tracker. I'm Savannah Levins. I'll send it back to you guys.
Savannah, thanks. Very good advice. And our storm coverage
I'm staying up all night tonight, Gus.
Charlotte's Ty Chandler.
No, you're not, because I'm gonna sleep.
Tracker.
I am staying up all night
Looks like where
tonight.
you are.
No, you're not.
Because I make sure the tornado doesn't come.
Well, right now we're in Huntersville.
Well, I'm gonna fucking try to sleep. So you are gonna sleep.